Alright, hello everybody, Jared here, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you our new family member, a 2015 Hyundai Tucson. And we'll give this thing a look. Now, this thing is huge. Let's sit inside of this thing, shall we? My god, this thing is humongous. So here it is. This is our new to us 2015 Hyundai. Let me zoom the camera out so you can see a little bit more. There we go. My god, this thing is huge. Oh, I gotta turn that off. Air. Man, that thing sounds nice. So, here's the back end of it. It's a, I'm not good with specs. This is, what, 5-person SUV. Has large, room for area to put your feet. We have cups in here. What I'm kind of a little annoyed about this already, that there's no seat warmers in this car. And yet again, there's none in mine too. Here's a little horn. Yeah, this is a pretty snazzy car. All of this is, leather. Actually, no, this is not leather. Maybe it is, I'm not sure. You got your cigarette lighters right here. One here. And one here. And you have, I can't really see from my angle what these are. Maybe you guys can see what those are. I really can't see. I'm sorry. So, let's hop on the driver's side and let's see what's on the odometer. And yes, I don't see these on cars very much anymore. The red door lights. And what's actually neat is that when you have your headlights and your tail lights on, everything in here is blue. So, I got home from work at the time of this recording last night, and everything in here is blue, which is pretty snazzy. So, I'm going to hop out, and while we're around, let's take a look at the car. So here's the back, and these are actually leather seats, and I believe these are your cup holders. These are the exact same thing that I have in my Forte, aka the prom car. And what's actually really weird about this car, that it has really weird armrest. You got your windows. There we go. We're gonna hop over to the other side here. So yeah, this is a very nice car. It actually feels like I'm sitting in a truck. We have a rear reverse camera. I'm not sure how the heck this thing works. Oh, snazzy. We have the Yoka Subaru plate here. Yeah, this is also where my dad works, so this video was sponsored by Yoka Subaru. Actually, no, it wasn't. We got some stuff over here. I'm not sure what this stuff is. But yeah, it was time to get rid of the old Equinox because it was starting to have its share of problems. There we go. Oh boy. Okay, let's see what's on the odometer, shall we? It's, let me see if I can find it. Oh, let's see. It has 42,383 miles on it. And the Equinox, when you got rid of it, I can't give the exact estimate of what it was, but it was 100,000, let me say that again, 126,000 miles on it. 254, I'm not sure what that means. So yeah, this is a really nice car. And what's actually thankful that my mom has, she now has radio switches on her car. My car has them, my dad's Crosstrek has them, but not the Equinox. So that's one thing she's thankful for. We have these speakers up here. We're currently listening to 104.1. And if I set this in here, classic 99.9 The Hawk, which is a classic rock station of the 70s, 80s, and more. 99.9 The Hawk. So we have your gear shifter down here, and it's weird because all of this is all LED. This car is snazzy. And I'm sure these are your lights right here. So let's go take a look at the lights, shall we? Your lights are on here. I think these are LED. No, they're not LEDs. No, they're not. But the headlights are. And here's the very dirty prom car. Actually, no, it's not that dirty, but it needs a bath. Let me turn those off. I would open the hood, but the thing is though, I don't know how to open the hood. And if my parents need to use the car, and if the hood's open, yeah, that's not going to be good. And what's weird is that this car has no e-brake. Actually, yeah, it does. Right here. That's the e-brake. That's really weird. Yeah, this is a really sweet car. I'm sure I'm gonna miss the Equinox though, but let me shut her off. Ugh. Kids, don't ever get old. So that is a video of our new to us 2015 Hyundai Tucson. Hope you all enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.